Hi guys, welcome to my XRP update. Today I want to take you through my charts and show you some targets that we need to watch out for and get some other fib levels drawn on our chart. So if you want to see where I think XRP is headed, please keep watching. Okay, so over on the chart here, this is on the 1 hour. I just want to first show you how we came up off of our last target, and now we came down and double bounced off of the same target. So right now, it still is possible that we head up to our full target at 82.5. Those are still key resistance levels up here. So now that we bounced and we're still stuck under the MA, and this last drop here had more of a bearish RSI than this drop here. So I want to get some levels put on if this were to break down below. And I think if this is going to come lower, I think it's going to be our wave 3 of our wave 5. And remember I said that wave 5 still did not hit target yet, and I'm going to show you on the 4 hour quickly before we get those fibs put on here. But remember I said that this wave 5 hasn't happened yet. It fell short. So after this wave 3 and this really low RSI, we are expecting another double bottom at the same level or even a new low, but the RSI needs to be higher. And that's going to confirm that our bottom is in. And that hasn't happened yet. So, and then that's how we've been examining this wave 5. And when we bounced here, we did have a higher RSI, but we didn't make a new low. That's when I threw up this wave 4 right here, and we would have come up if this were wave 4 and resisted at this 382 fib, and you can see that's exactly what it did. So we haven't broke above this 382 fib yet. Now it made a couple wicks, but the bottom or the bodies of the candles are still stuck around that 382 fib. So I think it's still wave 4. And so what that means is that we should be making the 5th of the 5th coming down. So those are subwaves that we're working on right now. So I'm going to go back to the 1 hour and show you how this would be mapped out if this is our 5th of the 5th of A. And so what that will look like here is our full 5th wave target has a fib target of 62 cents. And so what I'm going to do is map out the subwaves here and how they're going to form. And that's going to be right here. It's going to look like this. Wave 1, 2, 3 is going to come down here. 4 and 5 down here. So wave 3 coming down will have a fib target of the 1618 fib level. I'm going to delete mine and we're going to plot that for you right now, because if we do break down past this fib at 75 cents or 74 cents, that's where our next support is. And so that's going to be the trend-based fib extension, and we're going to come up here to the top of 1, down here to the bottom of 1, and then up for wave 2. And so you can see that if we break down 75 or 74, we're going to have major support at 71 cents. Then we can confirm that this is probably started our wave 5 down. Now this wave 3 and the subwaves are falling short of our full 5th target. So I think it's possible that one of these, if we do start heading down, gets extended, and we will know by the RSI where the wave 3 is, because it will make a new low on RSI. So that's something to keep an eye on for as well. The bounce after 71 cents is going to be our wave 4 of our wave 5. And so I'm going to get that target for you right now, just so you can have an idea of what to look out for in the next week or so. So if this hits this level perfectly here and comes down, and if wave 3 hits its level perfectly, then this will be our fib targets for wave 4. So if wave 3 comes down and hits this fib perfectly, we can expect wave 4 to come up to about 74 cents before making its final 5th wave down. Like I said, these subwaves are falling a little short of the full target, so we'll definitely have to keep an eye on that and remeasure as the waves form. And like I said, because it is falling short, perhaps this wave 3 will drop lower than the target and look even something like this, so that our wave 5 lands perfectly. We don't know yet, but for sure our current support level for this wave 3 is 71 cents. And we will know at the time by the RSI. If the RSI makes a new low, we'll know that's probably our wave 3. So things to keep an eye on for right now is if we break down this level here at 75 or 74, we can expect a bounce at 71 up to 74 cents and then down again. But if we don't break these levels down, it is still valid to come up to 82.5. And so that is where this wave 4 here, that's where it will be invalidated if we break above that. So if we break above 82.5, this whole thing is not a wave 4 and is actually a wave 1. So that's what we have to keep an eye on for. And also I want to note that you can see the price right now is right at this 1618 fib level. That was our target for this wave 3 right here. And you can see that we broke down past it, we came up, and now we're bouncing on top of it as support. So it's really undecided right now if we're going to make a new low or new high. We just have to wait for the market to make its decision. But those are the key levels that we have to watch out for. If it comes up, we're likely to hit 82.5. If we come down, then we're likely to hit 71 cents on our journey to 62 cents. So that is it from an XRP update today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, just make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all things XRP. That's it for now. Bye.